How to fix iPhone battery draining without use. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and tap on battery. Here, go ahead and look at last 24 hours and last 10 days and identify apps that is draining battery in background way too much. In battery settings again, go ahead and enable low power mode as this will reduce background tasks and save battery when your phone is about to die. Next, tap on battery health and charging, and if battery health is below 80%, then battery drain is normal, so you can go ahead and try battery replacement if necessary. Now, go back to settings and tap on general and then on background app refresh and then go ahead and set it to off or set it to Wi-Fi only. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as if the signal is weak, your phone uses more power searching for signal. You can also try to enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again. Next, in settings again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps and then on mail. Here, tap on the mail accounts option and then tap on fetch new data and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for push. Also set fetch to manually, as this will help in saving huge amount of battery. Now, go back to settings and tap on privacy and security and then on location services. You can go ahead and completely turn off location services, or you can set most of the apps to while using the app only. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then if you have enabled Bluetooth, then you can disable Bluetooth and AirDrop for the time being when it is not in use. Now, in settings again, tap on general and then on software update and go ahead and install the latest version of iOS, as battery drain bugs are often fixed in updates. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can try to restart your iPhone completely, as restarting clears background processes. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone battery draining without use. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.